How does overactive MYC help tumors resist chemotherapy? 2026. How does overactive MYC help tumors fix DNA breaks and resist chemotherapy? This discovery could explain why some cancers survive treatment and what we need to target next, making it urgent for patients and researchers alike. Researchers have identified that tumors with overactive MYC proteins can repair DNA damage more efficiently. This means cancer cells are better equipped to fix the breaks in their DNA caused by chemotherapy, which typically aims to destroy cancer by damaging its genetic material. The study highlights that MYC acts as a powerful helper for tumor survival by enhancing the repair process, making treatment less effective. This insight is critical as MYC is found overactive in many aggressive cancers, directly linking it to chemotherapy resistance. Chemotherapy works by causing DNA breaks that trigger cancer cell death. However, when MYC activity is high, tumors can quickly fix these breaks, allowing them to survive and continue growing. This discovery helps explain why some tumors fail to respond to standard chemotherapy regimens. Understanding this mechanism gives researchers new targets to develop drugs that can block MYC's repair assistance, potentially restoring chemotherapy's effectiveness. Several types of aggressive cancers, including some breast, lung, and blood cancers, often display overactive MYC. Patients with these cancers are more likely to experience resistance to chemotherapy, leading to relapse or progression. This study pinpoints overactive MYC as a biomarker to identify such resistant tumors early, potentially guiding personalized treatment plans that incorporate MYC inhibitors alongside chemotherapy. With this new understanding, pharmaceutical research is focusing on developing inhibitors that can reduce MYC activity or block its DNA repair role. Early-stage drug candidates are being tested to see if they can sensitize tumors to chemotherapy again. This approach could revolutionize cancer treatment by overcoming one of the major causes of chemotherapy failure and relapse. If you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment, knowing about MYC's impact on chemotherapy resistance could be important. Talk to your oncologist about testing for MYC activity in your tumor. This information might influence treatment choices or eligibility for clinical trials involving MYC-targeted therapies. Staying informed on these advances can help you advocate for the most effective treatment options. The discovery that overactive MYC helps tumors fix DNA breaks and resist chemotherapy changes the game in cancer treatment. For you, this means new hope as researchers work on drugs to block MYC and improve therapy success. Stay updated on these breakthroughs and talk to your healthcare team about what this means for your treatment. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest insights on cancer research and health news.